Welcome to Team Rocket Garage. Today I'm going to show you how you can pimp out your 1990 something Geo Corolla Prizm Lola. Oh, Geo
Prizm.
Corolla. Toyota Prizm. It's not a fast girl. She's not good at anything, but she doesn't drink a lot, and well, she's pretty quiet, so we might fix that today and make her louder and whatever. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how to put a cold air intake on this, a 4A FGE motor or whatever. We're going to want to take a look at our factory intake right here, and then we will go ahead and remove it. Now we want to be careful that we're not breaking anything while we're removing this. Some of these hoses can be pretty finicky on these older Japanese cars. Now that we've got this end and this end of the hose, this little thing, most intakes will have this. It's called a sound modifier reverberation box or whatever. Essentially it affects the noise going through here and makes it make less noise. That's stupid. So guy off the top of the filter, and we can remove it from the hose. And then there's a sensor right here that we'll remove as well. We'll set that aside. We'll remove our filter. So we've got our 12mm socket here. Perfect. And then we can remove this box as a whole. We'll go ahead and put these bolts back right where they go. Continue to remove the intake by removing this here. Perfect. You'll notice that we don't have any sensors here. If you have a sensor anywhere down line that air goes through it, that means you have a mass airflow sensor, and that needs to be part of your intake system. This system is run off vacuum only, which means that we don't have to worry about that. So we've got our intake from China here. Now she's a polished girl, not mirror polished, but she's aluminum, and they're very cheap online. Now this isn't a power increaser, this is a sound increaser. A handful of hardware that comes with it. I'm gonna point down here. Doink. Perfecto. We've got a bracket, some nuts, bolts, and a spacer, and a tube. Oh, this one didn't have a tube going to it, so we're gonna leave this little cap on. First off, we're going to start constructing our intake by placing this on there just to make sure it looks like it fits just about right. Perfect. I think that that's going to work just fine. So we can go ahead and remove this and put our clamps on. Take our flathead here and we'll clamp this guy on first. Now this one you want downward so you can't see the screwing hardware, because we are gentlemen and we hide our screwing hardware. I don't take pride in my cars, but I take pride in my work. No, Daphne, you can't have a cold air intake. No, you don't have a Corolla Prizm. We'll go ahead and this on the intake snout. This is where we want to take pride in our work. We want to make sure that these are parallel and in here in a way that makes sense. Just like that, we've got a pod filter. This thing is red. It comes from China and it does not contain SAR. There we go. All right, cool. You know, UPS drivers make $170,000 a year. We do it for free every morning, every fucking morning. Cool. All right, well, we are cold air inducted.
Is that louder?
All right, cool. Well, now let's. Does that make you feel cool?
Yeah.
My gosh. Holy shit balls. That's too fast. This is a neighborhood. I'll be honest, I think he thinks it's cool now. All right there, partner. Did you notice a difference?
Yeah, I did, somewhat.
Okay, did you notice it? Did it make you feel cool?
It just sounds like it sounds better.
Cool, I like that. Better is good, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Do you like it? Is it worth $40?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
At least it's something at least.
Wow. I feel like you were expecting more.
Yeah, if you put turbo in it, then it'll be fine.
Yeah, that's fair. Another intake, right? Turbo.
Oh, yeah. You'll have to figure out how to do that. Teamrocketgarage. Subscribe, motherfuckers.